And as if that wasn't enough already, the fishing boat also starts ramming into its side, causing black smoke to rise from its stern. Next up is a huge icebreaker showcasing its mighty power as it easily destroys and glides through the frozen Yenisei River in Russia.
А лед как хрустит под ногами, да? Боже мой, гигант. И подводная лодка у него.
Because of a powerful collision with ice on the ship's hull, this large fishing trawler's side ruptured, resulting in water flooding inside and sinking the ship in only a couple of minutes. There were more than 90 crew members on board the ship, but thanks to the brave rescue team, all of them were saved in time. Either the bridge was very fragile or the container ship was extremely heavy.